Now, if you're wondering how to exactly fix your Whirlpool washer error 5D here, well, there are a few things that you may need to do. So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to know what the error 5D actually means. Now, the error 5D or SD means the washer detect too many suds and stop to protect itself. So, it's not a broken washer, it's basically saying there's too much soap in here. Now, what do you need to do? Well, first things first, pause the cycle and let these suds settle. Now, you want to press the pause or cancel and wait for about like 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the excess suds time to break down so the water can drain properly. Now, don't open the lid yet if it's locked. Just give it a moment. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to go and just run a rinse or spin or drain and spin cycle here. Now, once the suds calm down, run the rinse or spin or drain and spin if available. This actually flushes out the leftover detergent without adding more soap. This step alone fixes the issue most of the time. Now, Whirlpool washers require HE or high efficiency detergent. So if you use regular detergent here or even too much HE detergent, it will cause 5D errors. So for future loads, use less detergent than the bottle recommends. Now, some Whirlpool models have a small drain filter at the front bottom panel. Lint, coins, or soap residue can slow drainings, which can make suds worse. So place a towel down before opening. Water may spill out. And make sure the drain hose isn't bent, so crush or push too far into the standpipe pool. Draining tricks the washer into thinking there are still studs inside. And once the air is gone, run an empty hot cycle, no detergent at all. This clears soap buildup from the drums, pump, and hoses so the air doesn't return. Now, if the 5D errors keeps coming back after this, the drain pump may need some servicing. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.